Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I have a real quick video for you today. So my birthday is coming up at the end of the month, April 28th. I will be 39, my last year in my 30s. Oh, so exciting. And I wanted to share with you my first birthday present. So I got this box in the mail the other day and I've been dying to open it up. So Keto Cracked is a keto candy company. Keto candy company, say that 5 times fast. And they make the most delectable keto goodies. These are the kind of things where you could buy it for a fancy gift. Like if you had a keto friend, keto partner, somebody that's keto in your life, and every once in a while you just want to give them a really special treat like Mother's Day or birthday or whatever. Keto Cracked is the place to go. First thing in the box is their Aloha caramels. These we've tasted before in their in the other video we did. These are so delicious. I love how they're individually packed like this. So they're easy to throw into a bag and you don't have to open the entire bag and have all the candy sitting there staring at you. You can just have them individually portioned, which is really nice. And then this is what I am super excited about. Birthday cake. Keto Cracked made a special flavored candy just for me for my birthday. I'm totally kidding. They made a birthday cake flavor for Easter and spring, but I'm just gonna pretend like it was all for me because it did come out on my birthday month. All right, so this is what I'm super excited to taste. So they have the peanut caramel crunch bars that are very similar to Butterfingers. So these are the birthday cake. The packaging is the same as the original. So I'm excited to open this up and see what it looks like. They're so cute. Ah, look at the little sprinkles. Those are so adorable. Okay, I'm super excited to taste this. So they come out with different flavors of the peanut caramel crunch, like seasonally. And so there have been a few other ones. I forget which. Oh, pumpkin spice was the last one we tried besides the original chocolate one. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh my goodness. That's what the inside looks like. Wow. It does taste like birthday cake. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The white chocolate, super creamy. It's got the crunch in there. The flavors are really good. So I think the 3 that we've tried are the original, the pumpkin spice, and the birthday cake. I think I like the birthday cake best. I think so. It's really good. Okay, so this is my birthday treat. Like, if I don't get a birthday cake this year, I'm happy with this. And they sent me a box. I will be able to enjoy these for like my entire birthday week, which I am super excited about. Okay, I have my cup of coffee sitting over here waiting for me, and I am going to enjoy this with my cup of coffee. I'm going to enjoy my first birthday present of the year. So I have a coupon code for Keto Cracked. If you're interested in checking it out and getting a discount, I will put that all down in the description. And I want to throw out here that I do know that these kind of keto goodies can be expensive. And sometimes I will get comments from people like very negative saying that these people are price gouging and charging too much. But when you really look at all that goes into creating a quality product with good ingredients, combined with the fact that they're just a small company that's not able to buy things in like as big a bulk amounts as, you know, Nestle or Kraft, and it just costs more for production for these small businesses. They're just trying to get started. They're just trying to make it. They're not making millions over this. And so I'm super happy to support these companies and to share them with you guys. I totally understand if it's not within your budget. We all get to vote with our dollars and choose what is important to us. And I do think if you have the income and you want to support these small businesses so that they can grow and bring the prices down as they grow, that would be fantastic. And in the process, you get to enjoy some really incredible treats. So that's my 2 cents on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. So you remember these bars that we tried before? The peanut caramel crunch?
Those?
Yeah. They sent us a new flavor that I think you're going to like. It's birthday cake.
Oh my goodness.
Do you see the sprinkles?
Oh yeah.
They're so cute. All right, you got to taste it and tell me what you think.
Mmm. Tastes like birthday cake.
It does, doesn't it?
It tastes so good.
It does. Okay, no. Now I'm eating another bite. So I'm talking with my mouth full. So we tried the pumpkin spice, and you really liked those. And we tried the chocolate coated ones, the regular. And then these are the birthday cake. Which ones of those 3 do you think you like the best?
I think the pumpkin spice.
You still like the pumpkin spice the best? Yeah.
Can I have
Pretty
one?
solid. Here, you can have the rest of this one.
Thank you.
Okay. Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How many thumbs up? We hadn't done that yet.
9.
Out
and
of?
pumpkin spice, 10.
Okay.
And 10 is pumpkin spice.
Okay. All right. Good to know. So you remember that keto candy we tried a while back that had like the keto crunch bars?
Yeah.
They sent us a new flavor to try.
Oh.
Can you guess what flavor it is?
Chocolate?
No.
I don't know.
It's birthday cake. You want to try some?
Yes.
Yes.
I
I thought you would. Okay, here's
It
a piece.
was
Look, do you
good.
see the sprinkles on there?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Want to taste it?
I already tasted some. Thank you, though. That's very sweet of you.
It's good.
What do you think?
100?
100? Do you like that kind or the chocolate one better?
Chocolate one?
You like the chocolate one the best?
I'm...
You like that one the best?
Mhm.
I thought that one was pretty tasty. It really tastes like birthday cake.
Mhm.
Oh, and guess what?
What?
Your birthday is in 2 weeks.
Mhm.
Maybe they sent it for your birthday.
Mhm.
You think so?
Mhm.
Because how old are you going to turn?
5.
5? That's too many. I bet you can't even count to 5.
I get
You-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my goodness. How did you get to be so big?